superhero.
सातौं जुनी भरि तिम्रै मुहार हेरी तिम्रै हात समाई जीवन बिताउला.
Open Kinemaster and select ratio 16:9. Then select black background and take it up to 15 or 19 seconds. Okay. Then go to layer, media and select the image. I have select this image and fit to the screen. Then go to alpha and decrease alpha up to 48%. Then increase length up to black background. Then go to effect and select basic effects and Gaussian blur and fit to the screen, setting up to 1 and increase the length. Again go media and select the same picture which you have selected before and adjust in such a way and increase the length. Done. Again go media and select the spectrum I have given footage in description. Then go blending and select screen option. Then adjust according to your picture. Okay, done. Now go test and write your channel name. I have written Mad Boy. Then go to font and select any font you want. And increase the length of Mad Boy to full. Done. Now you just need to add the music. Select music which you want to add. Play one time. Now go to media and select particle footage which I have given you in the description, and go to blending and select screen option. Done. Your video is ready. Now export the project. Hope you like the video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.
This is